Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox something in this box. So let's get started. So friends, now let's start unboxing. So this is a package by Amazon which is shipped by Aramex. Now we'll open this. See what's inside. Whoa! Ta-da! That is the gear ball. It is the new Rubik's puzzle. It's written the world's most fascinating brain teasers, like start there and get till there. Here there's the same one. Here the instructions given. So let's remove it out of the box. Let's remove. Oh wow! Shows like a pamphlet right here. This is its inventor, Mr. Meffert. These are the different types of puzzles. So let's remove this cube. This cube is very interesting. Whoa, that feels very solid. Here, this is the Meffert's logo, which is given, and here this is a sign of the inventor of this cube, Mr. Oscar van Deventer. So it twists like this. It's quite satisfying. It's no longer easier like in Rubik's cube, but you have to twist it 2 to 3 times to make it again. So let's check out some checkerboard pattern. So I'll take this pattern like this way. Now again twist it here, and now I'll twist it here like this. So this is the checkerboard pattern. Now by the unboxing this, I feel that it is a very challenging puzzle for me. Especially I am good at cubing the Rubik's Cube 3x3. So for this, cubers, beware. It turns very smoothly. It's very nice. So satisfying. So friends, this is a quick unboxing video and review for the gear ball from Meffert. So this gear ball has many names like the gear sphere or the Rubik's sphere. So you can check out some videos and the poll in the description and I button below. So stay tuned. Bye bye.